In the last section, we explored Python's standard library. Now, even though this library is very comprehensive, it doesn't have everything that we potentially need when building a real application. There are times that we need features not implemented in Python's standard library. That's where Pypi or Python Package Index comes into picture. Pypi is like NPM or Node Package Manager for JavaScript developers. It's basically a repository of Python packages built by people like you and I. So if you head over to pypi.org, on this page you can see that currently we have almost 160,000 projects registered in this repository. For pretty much anything you imagine, there is a Python package here. Let's say you want to work with PDF files in your application. Simply search for PDF here. As you can see, currently we have over 2,000 projects for working with PDF files. Here are a few examples. This first package is a two-dimensional barcode generator. We also have this package for managing and processing PDF files. The next one is for converting a PDF file to text. We can also convert a PDF to image and so on. So we have tons and tons of packages for working with PDF files. Of course, not all of these are useful. Some of them are buggy or incomplete, but if you do a little bit of research, you can find a good and stable package for your projects. Alternatively, you can also Google the best Python packages for working with PDF files and see what other people in the community say. So in this section, you're going to learn about all the tooling you need to install these packages and publish your own packages to this repository. Are you excited? All right, now let's get started.